Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As requested, I am doing a Korea haul and I'm so excited for this haul. So there are a ton of new things I have yet to try. So let's get started in this haul. If you watched my previous haul, you know I was raving about the flats that I got. Got a second pair. Unfortunately, winter is like springing upon us already. So I'm gonna have to pack these up and wait until spring next year, maybe summer to wear these, but these are absolutely so cute and all their shoes are just so comfy. I'm definitely gonna pick up another pair if I go back. Next, I am going into skincare because that's probably why you're watching this video. So I did pick up these pimple creams last trip and they work so great. I absolutely love them and I'm already on my last tube of it since April. They're really small, so I recommend if you see these, just stock up on them. Got 4 because
I don't know when I'm gonna go to Korea next.
Highly recommend getting these at the pharmacy. Also at the pharmacy, I picked up this cream and it's gonna be really familiar looking because these were going viral on TikTok, Instagram, and they were so hard to find when I went in April. This is the PDRN cream, and I'm really all about the PDRN products right now. So, yeah. Also got another PDRN cream, so I'll let you guys know how this is. Honestly, I'm in this stage in my life, in my 30s, where it is so important to take care of my skin, and fine lines are definitely coming in and I'm definitely noticing my skin changing quite a bit. This is why I'm trying to do everything possible to slow down the aging process. Moving on to things that I got at Olive Young. It's the most important stop when you're in Korea. So picked up this Rose PDRN Mediheal sheet mask. I got 3 boxes of it. I really love Mediheal. I picked up a few different sheet masks from this brand in April and I've already gone through most of them. Absolutely loved the quality of it and this is also very affordable. On the same Mediheal sheet mask train, I also got the collagen mask. I'm excited to try this just because who doesn't need a little bit of collagen boost? Next up, I picked up more of my concealer pods. I've been using this religiously while I was on the Korea trip, as well as since I've been back. It is now a vital part of my makeup routine. I love how there are the 3 different color correctors. I use the salmon for definitely the dark circles. There is the lighter concealer shade and then also the green shade, which helps with any redness that you have on the skin. Honestly, it has done wonders. It's so creamy. It works so well with my foundation, which leads me to the next product. I am 100% all for my Clio Kill Cover Mesh Glow cushion. I love Olive Young because they always give kind of like free sample stuff. So I've never tried the prep base for it. It goes really well with this cushion. I'm probably gonna add this to my makeup routine. These kits come with the new Clio cushions. They used to be a little bit like more square, but now they have new packaging and it also comes with an extra refill as well. And if you guys are wondering what shade I am, I'm 21N. That's generally my summer shade.
I can just conceal it.
So I didn't just pick up one because would it be me? No, because if you saw my last Olive Young haul, I basically buy like 3 of everything or 4 or more. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these. So I am all set. And we can't forget sunscreen. This is the tinted sunscreen that I absolutely love. I don't like to wear foundation on a more casual setting. This tinted sunscreen has been everything for me. And it was like a 1+1 deal, so I picked up 2. I believe I still have some stock from last Korea trip. So I didn't go too ham on that one. Also picked up my Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I really love this for when I am wearing full coverage foundation. I just think that this sunscreen doesn't pill on my face. The sunscreen just works very well with my Clio Mesh Glow. I picked up a few more of these since I was definitely running out. Next up are these very aggressive looking pimple stickers. Very excited to try it. This definitely is meant for like really stubborn, maybe like deep cystic acne. So if I ever need like a SOS help, this is what it looks like. There's like little sharp prongs on it and you stick it on and it just literally oozes everything out of those pimples. Sorry for that image if you're not into pimple popping content. I have been really into the Tortin eye cream, but I was looking for maybe something a little bit stronger, especially for nighttime. Got this 3D eye cream. It was pretty highly rated on All Young, which is why I picked this up. Next, a little bit more of the PDRN products. I got the PDRN Essence right here. And this is great for elasticity. There we go. Elasticity and wrinkle care. Also, this was pretty highly rated, which is why I picked it up as well. Next up, which you've probably seen on my last haul, I really love these. Got 3 packs of them because I basically finished the packs that I had from April. This is great for weight loss, diet. I add this into my daily food regimen, I guess. And these actually taste pretty good. So picked up 3 boxes of these. Next up is some matcha. So this is a pretty hyped and popular spot kind of by Bukchon Village. Also, I already built it. Got a really cute lantern from the palace. It is so my aesthetic. It is so beautiful. Absolutely love it. I'm just going to insert a video here since I just don't have it with me right now. These are Korean shot glasses. Super, super cute. Very traditional vibes. Next is this K-Pot Demon Hunter Shin Ramen flavor. I will definitely give this a try. Who doesn't like the Saja boys? This is so cute. This actually goes to your phone. I feel like I am the type of person that just cannot open these. I just feel like they're meant to be collection items. So we'll see if I put this on my phone. Also, this is a beautiful postcard, Uchon Village, I believe. Just love that traditional aesthetic. Anyways, that is actually it for my haul. I mean, all the stuff is now piled here. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will definitely update you guys to let you know how I feel about the new products I've been trying. I'm probably gonna try them all now that I filmed this video, and hopefully I can give you guys a little bit of feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this Korea skincare miscellaneous haul, and I will see you in the next one.